Hello guys, I am Arvind and in this lecture I am going to discuss storage classes in C programming. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So our first topic is why we use storage classes in C programming. So we use storage classes in C programming to describe the following four properties about a variable, and these are the four properties. So the first property is where the variable would be stored, and the second property, what will be the default value if the initial value is not specifically assigned. And third point is what will be the scope of the variable, and the last point is what will be the lifetime of variable. So these are the four properties that storage classes will explain about a variable. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss next topic, and that is types of storage classes. So there are four storage classes in C programming. So first one is automatic storage class, second one is static storage class, third one is register storage class, and the last one is external storage class. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss one by one. So the first storage class is automatic storage class. In C programming, we use auto keyword to declare automatic variables, and automatic variables will be stored in main memory or RAM, and the default value of automatic variables will be garbage, and the scope of automatic variables will be local, and the lifetime of automatic variables will be limited to the module in which they are declared. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss next storage class, and that is static storage class. We use the static keyword to declare static variables in C programming. The static variables will be stored in main memory or RAM, and the default value of static variables will be 0, and the scope of static variables will be local, and the lifetime of static variables will be limited to the module in which they are declared. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss next storage class, and that is register storage class. So we use register keyword to declare register variables. The register variables will be stored to the internal registers of CPU, and the default value of register variables will be garbage, and the scope of register variables will be local, and the lifetime of register variables will be limited to the module in which they are declared. So now moving on to next topic, and that is external storage class. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. Extern keyword is used to declare the external variables in C programming. External variables will be stored to main memory or RAM, and the default value of external variables will be 0, and the scope of external variable will be global, and the lifetime of external variable will be throughout the program. So I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.